among us to be our coordinators, and then they shall have a photo moment with the president, and then later on, the president shall address us. I thank you. Waliawa Robert Talanda Aramadhan Wambede Mosi. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the group of the safety coordinators across the country. I have Yaga you.
Thank you very much. I've been requested to stand around here so I can be able to see everybody. Most importantly, for everybody to be able to see me. People power. Our power. People power. Kindly take your seats, friends. I want to recognize the presence of my fellow MP and fellow leader in the People Power movement, the Honorable Natif Sebagala. People Power! Power! Motivated when I saw my sister Nusfa Nakato on the side there. People Power! Our power! Our power! People Power! These women, besides people like Sauda being a student, besides people like Nusfa being a businesswoman, I share a special connection with them. They are ghetto people like myself. And all the women I see in this struggle remind me so much of my mother. With all due respect to my fellow men, I want to mention that the women we have in the People Power movement, one woman can represent up to 5 or 10 men. You women are powerful. That having been said, comrades, I want to welcome you in a very special way, all of you. I want to welcome you, especially those that don't stay within town. It takes quite a lot, especially in this time where intimidation has reached its peak. So to see you today is very, very motivating. I've told you in the past that when I was at university, I was not a leader or even an activist. Well, I might have been a leader in my own trade, but I did not take it upon myself to do what I had to do in those years. And yes, much as my brother Joel kept saying that we are young people, I'm a young man too. But when I'm with you guys, I feel so much like a big brother. It has always haunted me in the recent past why I was not active right from inception, why I was not very active at your age. At your age, I was one of the many young men who were mentally sterile, who did not care so much how our country was being governed. And yes, I must say that our nation lost so much of my years and the years of people that are in my age today. But looking at you young people, you young men and women, I feel like everything that I missed by not being active at that time is coming back to me through you people. So I thank God for you. I will not say so much because I was very, very ably represented by the words of Comrade Benjamin Katana, by the words of Comrade David Lewis, by the words of Comrade Joel, and indeed the leader of the students' wing, Comrade Roy Semboka. They put it there for us. And again, most if not all of it, you guys know. You guys are the gallant intellectuals of our generation. But that must not stop at chanting. We must do more than that. Because when I was in Makerere, we were chanting a Makerere Oye, and that was it. We must take it a notch higher, or else we are not going to be any different from all the generations that have been there. We have been slaves in our own country for the last 34 years. We are living under occupation. And while an ordinary ghetto man or woman might not notice it, you, the intellectuals, know it. Things that we used to think are things of the past, where the military storms halls of residence of students, particularly girls, and they do despicable things on them. We used to think those are things of 40 plus years ago. Well, it is happening in 2019. That is where we are. I'm not well placed to tell you about the injustices that are being meted, especially on the students, even while as we speak right now. The leader of the students of Makerere is under incarceration. All the students that have dared to challenge the status quo, all the students that have dared to be confident, have faced unspoken injustices. We all know what happened to Tunduru. We all know what is happening to all the men and women that are standing firm. We all know what happened to Musiri David. The list goes on and on and on and on. But again, even amidst those challenges, I want to give a special respect to the girls that started the Makerere revolution. I call it a revolution. That is what we must be doing. And if we don't join those people that are bold enough to stand for us, they will be crushed. And next they will come for you. I've said it before and I continue to say it, that this is not about any particular individual. It is about all of us, ladies and gentlemen. That is where we are. I'm not going to dwell there because everybody knows it. But what must we do? I'll talk about only what we must do, what we are expected to do by ourselves and those people that rely on us, and most importantly, what to expect. What we must do is not to give up, ladies and gentlemen. When I'm talking to students, I am talking to a very special wing of this revolution. Unlike the informal people, unlike the business community, you, the students, have historically been a pivot in every revolution. Today, we know that the energy is not only at Makerere. The Chambogo students were showing us what to do just recently. The MOB students have tried it on, and all other universities. What we must do is to continue connecting and to continue, being supportive to each other, to reflect what is happening in every single university, and to take it even beyond the universities. You guys know that the common population follows you because you are the intellectuals. So take it upon yourself. Comrade Katana Benjamin, I call him BK. He reminded us of the words of Frantz Fanon that every generation must identify its cause and then choose to betray or pursue it. Now we know our cause. We know our historical role. Have we chosen to pursue it, or have we chosen to betray it? We can pursue it by doing very many things. You can be on the front line. I know many of us are not here with us today, but they are actively doing everything possible to push this struggle ahead. There are many, many ways to do it. But again, there are many ways also to betray this cause. I'll say it too. In Luganda we say, abamo balya, abalala batya. Okay? You can betray this cause by being either scared or compromised, or both. But I must tell you, my brothers and sisters, that an opportunity, a historic opportunity, has been placed before us. And we must look into history and do exactly what those people did. Those people that wanted freedom, those people that wanted liberty. The Tunisians did it. The Burkinabes did it. The Algerians did it. The Sudanese recently did it. So if you don't do it yourself, if you don't do what other people have done, if you, the students of Uganda today, don't do what other students have done, then you will have nobody to blame. It is our role, ladies and gentlemen. It is our role as the young people of Uganda today. You see, the People Power movement many times has been branded as a youth movement. And rightly so. But again, students in most cases are young people. Say for my big brother Nyanzi, who is a student at a... No, I'll leave it at that. But most students are young people. So this is exactly what we've been talking about. It is you guys. What must you do? Not only follow, but offer leadership as well. What we expect from you, friends, is not just to follow us, but to lead us as well. Each one of you is a leader. This is not going to be politics as usual, because it is not politics as usual. This is a liberation where everybody has a role. And indeed, some of you have been playing your roles unknowingly, subconsciously. But at least we see the results. We see the dictator panicking right now. Okay? We have gotten to a level where a dictator will call a guild president and call all members of his council. Why? Because he is panicking. It is now that you see a dictator recognizing even the lowest of the ghetto people. It is now that you see the dictator moving with stashes of money to bribe young men and women from all walks of life. That is your work, ladies and gentlemen. That is the pressure you have knowingly or unknowingly exerted on the dictator. That is the sugar that we have mixed. So I'm asking, kasukari keko oba tuongereko? Amani keko oba tuongereko? Omunyo gweko oba tuongereko? So, what is there to expect, friends? While it is fun to be fighting for freedom and at the same time enjoying, while we are blessed to be, comforted by the sounds of music as we go forward, I want to remind you that there's so much oppression to expect. Museveni is a person that we know historically using both the stick and the carrot. People like you, because he has nothing to convince you with, is either going to throw bullets at you or bundles of cash at you. They are going to do everything possible to bribe you. I believe even among you, some have been, reached out to. They are promising you this and that. Why? Because they are scared of your voice. They want to silence your voice. I want to tell you that we live in a situation, we live in a time where our people are so eye-open. They will look at us and judge us by our actions, not by our words. They will very easily discern whether we stand for them or whether we are turning them into, commodities. So I want to remind you, friends, that even when they come to you with the money, they are trying to buy your life away. These are people that don't have a future, but they want to buy yours for cash, for paper. Secondly, after you reject their bribes, after you tell them off, they will unleash all kinds of oppression unto you. They will arrest you. They will beat you. They've even in the past killed some of our friends. So we know that all of us could as well be candidates for that. But friends, in the past, we've seen, and indeed in our neighborhood, we've seen this happen in Burkina Faso, in Sudan, under an seemingly invincible dictator. But he's gone. So, while we go through all these challenges, I want to assure you that one day we will face each other and remind ourselves of such times when Museveni is long gone. You can be sure we are going to get there. So let us just hold forth. Let us stand by what we believe in. Let us do what we must do. And indeed together let us achieve what we must achieve on our behalf and on behalf of our helpless brothers and sisters that are not lucky enough to be university students like you, that are not lucky enough to connect like we have connected. And after we do that, ladies and gentlemen, we will grow old, we will turn grey, looking at each other as heroes of our generation. So with those few words, comrades, I want to thank you for the constant belief in the liberation that we are pursuing. To encourage you not to give up. To warn you of what's coming your way, the bribes and the oppression. But to also assure you that ultimately, when everything is done, we shall wear the victor's crown. I thank you. Joel, to our brothers and sisters from other parts other than the central part that don't understand Luganda, allow me to communicate to these people, especially my brother Tamale, who doesn't seem to understand English. Sorry. Yeah. Tuli wano okulaunchinga People Power Students Movement. Tuchimanyi nti People Power yatandikanga movement ey'abavubuka ate nga abavubuka ebiseera ebisinga bebabeera aba student. So ye mmwe mutima kwa mulamwa guno. Ebisinga byogeddwako baganda bange Benjamin Katana, Joel Senyonyi, David Lewis ne Chairman Nyanzi. So zijja biddamu. Ate mwe muli bayivu sijja bannyonnyola mbeera gye tuyitamu kuba mwe bimanyi. Nabagambyeko nze bwe nali nsoma ku university ebiseera ebyo seenyigira nnyo mu bukulembeze. Oba oli awo nze omu ku bavubuka abaali batakwatibwa nnyo ngeri nsi yaffe gyekulemberwa ebiseera ebyo. Naye nga tuzze tukiraba, nze kennyini nze nkiraba nti oba oli awo singa nakola kye nalina okukola mwe omulimu ogwo nandibadde sigusindiseko mmwe. Naye kubanga saakola kye nnyina kukola kati nammwe bato bange muyimbadde mulina okwenyigira mu lutalo olwo. Naye era kimpa essanyu okulaba nti bye saakola olw'obulagajjavu ku myaka egyo olw'obutafaayo bwe ndaba ate mu abavubuka abawala n'abalenzi abato nga mukola ebyo mpulira nga buli kye nasuba okukola kyonna kinkomerawo nga kiyitamu mmwe. So mugende mu maaso nga mukola kye mulina okukola nga Sseruganda Benjamin Katana bwe yatujjukiza ebigambo bya France Fanon nti buli mugigi guba n'omulamwa gwagwo, gulina okuzuula omulamwa gwagwo. Bwemumala okuzuula omulamwa gwammwe ne musalawo oba mugulyamu olukwe oba mugutuukiriza. Katumanyi omulamwa gwaffe gwakwenonula. Muze mukiraba mawanga gonna gonna gatwetoolodde nga bavubuka naddala ba student kubanga mmwe bayivu b'eggwanga nga be balikyusa. Abamisiri baakikola, ab'e Burkina Faso baakikola, ab'e Tunisia baakikola, aba Nigeria baakikola, n'ab'e Sudan baakikoze. Kati kiri eri mmwe era bwe mutakola ekyo kye babalaze kye mulina kukola okwenonula then temulina gwe mulikaabira kuba muligiba mwesibye mwekka mwekka. Ekisembayo ki kye mulina okusuubira? Tumanyi nti nno nakyemalira gutuwakanya gutugezaako okutabula eggwanga lyaffe tulijje mu mikono gye egyamusibiramu bbwa. Akozesa ebintu bibiri, akozesa omuggo oba ebyokulya. Bwakuba omu kuwulira ng'oli muvubuka nga mmwe nga muwakanya ajja kusindikira ebyokulya nga bwe muze mulaba ebiseera ebiyise. Ajja kukasukira ebibokisi bya ssente bw'onoobigaana ng'akyusa ng'akozesa amasasi. So manyi nti bagendagezako bagulira mwe batanaba kutuukako bajja batuukako nga baagala okugula emyoyo gyammwe. Naye njagala opategeeza nti tuli mu nsi erimu abantu ababuufu abantu baffe betukulembera bakutunulira butunuzi njogerayo ne bamanya nti kati ono yalya oba ono yatya. Bakutunulira butunu bawulira buwulizi bigambo bibiri bisatu ne bamanya kati ono takyali ku lwaffe ono ali ku lwaffe. So nga mudiringa n'abantu manye nti tudiringa n'abazi abalina amaaso amaggule. Naye nammwe baganda bange bagenda okuyimirira ku mazima musuubire nti bagenda kufuba nnyo okulaba nga babanafuya nga bamamenya omugongo. Bajja basiba, bajja bakuba kibooko, bajja balemesa okola emirimu gyonna gye mukola, naye mbakakasa nti okufaananako ng'ebitundu byonna byonna bitwetoolodde bwe mulemerako oyo dikiteta aba talina lugendo aba alina okugenda. Tuli baavu. That means we have every reason to fight. Tuli bavubuka kitegeeza tukyaliwo emyaka mingi nnyo okusinga bano abantu abatunyigiriza. Twegasse kuba bw'otunulira olaba amawanga ga njawulo, madiini ga njawulo, bibiina bya njawulo. Tulina abakyala ab'amaanyi ate tugenda mu maaso tugenda mu maaso n'omulamwa okugamba nti ng'afa abasajja bwe tukyenyigiddemu n'abakyala balina okyenyigiramu ebitundu bya kyenkanyi. So tulina buli factor etuwanguza abasebo ne bannyabo kasa tulemerako. So wakati mubeebaza olw'okumanya ennaku y'abantu bammwe, olw'okwesowolayo mwenyigire mu kulwanira eggwanga lyammwe n'odinunula, njagala okubabuulira nti newankubadde embeera gye twetoolodde esoomooza, newankubadde buli kye tuyitamu kiraganga bye tukola ebitasoboka, njagala okubakakasa nti oluvannyuma lwa byonna mu bbanga eritali lya wala lazima tugenda kwenunula, lazima tujja kwambala engule nga Mukama ye mubeezi waffe. People power, our power. So as I conclude, I want to congratulate the leadership of the students wing upon this event. Today we launch the People Power Students Movement. Let us do what we must do. Students, you have responsibility. The world is looking at you just like they've looked at the students of all the countries that have been liberated, courtesy of students movement. Let us empower this students movement. Let us not be the movement that betrayed the aspirations of all the students that have been pushing for change for the last 34 years. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for God and my country.
Kisooka kuva ebintu bino byatandika badde bagamba nti bannabyabufuzi abali ku ludda oluvuganya bwe basinza okubikomamu tusinza ku bigambo byeyogedde kino kikakasa poliisi byeyogera n'ebirala nti People Power n'abalala be bali mabega waak'ebimaako abayizi Makerere.
Olunaku lwa leero tutongozza People Power Students Movement, abayizi abamatendekero aga waggulu okwetoola Uganda yonna nga batwalidde Makerere, Kyambogo, Nkozi n'ebitundu ebirala byonna byonna. So abayizi, abakulembeze b'abayizi aba Uganda yonna tubadde nabo wano. Ekigendererwa kyaffe okwongera omulamwa guno n'ensonga ze tuyimirirako ozinyikiza mu bayizi okwetoola eggwanga, kuba eno ensonga ekwata ku bayizi bonna bonna, ate abo abayizi naddala bali mu matendekero aga waggulu balabirwako nnyo eggwanga era bakulembeddemu nnyo amenunula g'ensi nnyingi nga kwotadde Sudaani, kwotadde Tunisia, kwotadde Burkina Faso ne Uganda.
Waliwo students bangi abasawo eno abakwatibwa abali mukolera abajafuza. Waliwo ebigambibwa nti ebigenda mu maaso Youth President w'Enkumba bamwempekinze Kundulu ow'Ekyambogo, ebigenda mu maaso byakugezaako okujjayo bwa students leaders abali leaning People Power era nga buli leaning ekkobaani kyogera
People Power mulamwa ogwagala okuza obukulembeze eri abantu era mulamwa ogwetaniddwa nnyo abakulembeze bangi era People Power ye movement naddala okubanga ekulemberwa abavubuka esinza okutiisa obukulembeze bwa President Museveni obwamusibira mu ggwa. Era bino okutulugunya abakulembeze n'abayizi e Makerere babikola n'ebigambo poliisi byobadde byowulira ebyegamba tino abayizi okwekalakaasa olw'okunyigizibwa kwe bayitamu balina kusasulwa. Nze ndowooza ekyo kya bwebusa. Oba omuntu yenna bw'aba anyigirizibwa tekimwetaagisa muntu kumujjukiza okaaba oba okwekubira ku nduulu. Gavumenti ya Museveni eze erondoola nnyo abayizi n'abakulembeze b'abayizi abakwatagana ne people power okugezaako bamalamu amaanyi nga bwe wakirabye ku Tundulu, nga bwe walabye basiba Katerega Julius n'abayizi abalala bangi. Naye ffe tuyina obugumu nti ebyo byonna bye bakola okunyigiriza abayizi ate byongera bawa amaanyi, byongera bawa resolve na kusalawo okwerwana.
General Salim Saleh abadde ayogera ku programu n'agamba nti ayagala kusinkana olw'effumu ly'okutte. Singa invitation ye ya Saleh ya Butongole bwetegefu kusinkana.
Okusooka General Saleh simanyi nga musinkana ngaani, kubanga yes mukwano gwange muwekitiibwa ne ku nsonga zetwogerako, nsonga z'abantu bonna. Okusinkana Bobi Wine si kyekizimalawo, nga bwe nzoogerako Joel Sonyonyi bw'azoogerako, n'omukyala ali Nakapiripiti bw'azoogerako, n'omwana ali Embalala bw'azoogerako. So ensonga zetwogerako si za muntu nga nze, za ggwanga, bazitunuulire bakole ekyetaagisa okukolebwa, so si kunoonya nze nga muntu. Kya buswavu poliisi ye Uganda omulundi omulala yazzeemu okulaga nti bo bamenyi b'amateeka ate tebaswala kukiraga. Ekyakoleddwa ku Dr. Besigye kyennyamiza, kyongera ennaku, naye ate kirina okwongera otulaga wawe tuli. Tufugibwa ku mudumu gwa mmundu, tufugibwa batemu, tufugibwa batujju, era kyongera okutuwa ensonga lwaki tulina okulwanyisa obukulembeze buno obw'ekitujju buveewo. Well, poliisi kyekola bannamawulire kyongere okulaga bannamawulire nti tewali ali safe. Basooka kulwanyisa abantu abamu ne babanafuya, kati nammwe kennyini bannamawulire abalaga ekituufu nammwe babalwanyisa. Ekyo nno nammwe njagala kyongere okubawa ensonga lwaki mulina okuyimirirawo ne mulwanyisa eddembe lyammwe, kuba mwe bannamawulire mwe layini esembeyo ey'abantu okutuuka okubeera nga bagula amaaso gammwe. Bwe abaziba emimwa nammwe then ensi yaffe ejja kuba egenze kaganga. Oluzungu twalwogedde.